Yeah, that's a really interesting thing because what you're what's effectively it's doing is saying, listen, I recognize that just as an example, the student can look this up and wants to get the answer and then boom on to the next. And it in fact is saying, no, you can use AI, but even in using AI, we're going to do things that are going to force you to do more to get the output from AI. We're going to do some things that are going to force you to engage in maybe a bit more traditional study, right? Maybe there's more merit in that.
Yeah, but the main question is universities like IE University in Spain, who already did like more or less a contract with ChatGPT, and they are giving access for all their students on ChatGPT Plus. Would they change from the ChatGPT Plus into the study mode and keep the ChatGPT Plus for their professors? So how successful would study mode be? And would you ask this in your company? If you have people who are employed and they want to use ChatGPT, would I give them a work demo? Of course not. You want them to take the fastest information possible before that. And this really brings us into a very interesting discussion because I was thinking about the famous MIT paper. I don't know if you
Yes.
had the chance to read it. Your brain on ChatGPT, accumulation of cognitive depth when using an AI assistant on essay writing. Now, they did an experiment for 54 students who used AI to write their essay, who used Google or search engine, and who did it themselves without the help of a search engine and without the help of ChatGPT. And it turned out that people who used their mind and who used the search engine have a lot of brain activity, where those who used ChatGPT did not. Now, another surprising thing is that 83% of those students, when asked orally about what they've written, they had no idea what they wrote, which means they copy pasted. Students who want to copy and paste will always do that, whether it's AI, whether it's sharing an assignment from a previous semester or from another university. So it's a choice. You have 17% who wanted to learn and who really did their research well, and they used AI for their own benefit, not to copy paste.